Good morning, everyone. In yesterday's class, we learned some new formulas of triangle, square, and rectangle. They are area and perimeter. Shape triangle, area formula is half into BH, half into B into H. Perimeter formula is A plus B plus C. Perimeter formula is A plus B plus C. Shape square, area formula is A into A. Perimeter formula is 4 into A. Perimeter formula is 4 into A. Area formula is A into A. Shape rectangle, area formula is L into B. L into B. Perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. See the first one. I already told this sum in the yesterday's class. I gave this sum as a homework. See the third sum. What is the perimeter of rectangle C? What is the perimeter of rectangle C? We have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle C. See here, 25 meters length, width is 40 meters. Width or breadth is same. Width and breadth and same. Perimeter of rectangle C. Length is equal to 25 meters. Width is equal to 40 meters. Perimeter we have to find out. Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So see here, 2 into L means 25. B means 40. So we have to add the numbers. 2 into 25 plus 40 is 65. 2 into 65 is 130. See here, 65 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry out. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 130 meters. Perimeter of the particular rectangle C is 130 meters. See the next one. What is the width of rectangle D? We have to find out the width. We have to find out the width here. See, they gave a length and the perimeter. Length and perimeter they gave. We have to find out the width. Length is equal to 50 centimeters. Width we have to find out. Perimeter is 180 centimeters. Perimeter is 180 centimeters. Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So total 180 meters we have 180 centimeters here. 2 into 50 means L means 50. B means we have to find out. 180 centimeters we have to write here. 2 into, we have to multiply with these two numbers internally. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 0 carry out. 2 50s are 100. 2 50s are 100. 2 into B. 2B is equal to 180. Here 100 is in the plus side. Whenever it goes that side, it becomes a minus number. 2B is equal to 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100. So 2B is equal to 80. 180 minus 100 it is 80. 2B. See here 2 is multiplying with the B. 2 is multiplying with B. Whenever it goes that side it becomes a, if we have to do the division. We have to do division. B is equal to 80 divided by 2. 80 divided by 2. B is equal to 40 centimeters. Whenever we do division, 80 divided by 2, it is 40. B is equal to 40 centimeters. So width of this rectangle D is 40 centimeters. All of you see the next sum. What is the perimeter of the rectangle below is 140 centimeters. Determine the length of the rectangle. We have to find out the length. They gave the breadth and the perimeter. Given perimeter of the rectangle is 140 centimeters. Total perimeter of the rectangle is 140 centimeters. Breadth they gave. Breadth is 30 centimeters. Length we have to find out. We have to find out the length. It is in the shape of rectangle. Perimeter also they gave. Length we have to find out. Breadth they give. What is the perimeter formula of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. See here. Total perimeter is 140. So 2 into L means we have to find out. Plus B means width is 30. Width is 30 centimeters. C is equal to 140. So we have to multiply the numbers. 2 into L, 2 into 30. 2 into L is 2L plus 2 into 30, it is 60, is equal to 140. 2L is equal to, here plus side, whenever this number goes to that side, it becomes a minus number. 2L is equal to 140 minus 60. 140 minus 60. So 2L is equal to 80. Whenever we do subtraction, 140 minus 60, it becomes 80. Number is 80. See here, the 2 is in the multiplication side. Whenever it goes that side, we have to do division here. L is equal to 80 divided by 2. 80 divided by 2. L is equal to 40 centimeters. So the length of the particular rectangle is 40 centimeters. The length of the particular rectangle is 40 centimeters. See the next page, page number 48. Find the perimeter of the following triangles. Perimeter of the following triangles. Perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. We have to add. We have to add the three sides. Whenever they ask you to find out the perimeter of a triangle, we have to add the three sides. We have to add the three sides. See here, 30 centimeters, 23 centimeters, and this side is 20 centimeters. Perimeter formula is A plus B plus C. So P is equal to, perimeter is equal to 30 centimeters plus 23 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. 30 plus 23 is 53. 53 plus 20 is 73. So total perimeter is 73 centimeters. 73 centimeters. See the next one. Again, it is a triangle formula. Triangle perimeter formula of a triangle is A plus B plus C. We have to add all these. Perimeter is equal to 30 centimeters plus 40 centimeters plus 26 centimeters. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus 26 is 96. So perimeter formula, perimeter of the particular triangle is 96 centimeters. 96 centimeters. See the next one. This is in the shape of triangle. Perimeter formula A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. 13 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus 10 is 31. So perimeter of the triangle is 31 centimeters. Perimeter of the perimeter formula of a triangle is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. All of you take out your maths activity book, page number 38. Activity book, page number 38. Which of the following is bigger? Put a tick mark. Which of the following is a bigger one? This one is the bigger side. Why? Because see here, length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks are there and its breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. See here, for this one, 1, 2, 3. 3 is a breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is in a length. So which one is a bigger one? This one is the bigger one. One girl is decorating the photo frame with square stickers as shown below. See here, she started framing the frame with a square stickers. She is using a square stickers here. How many if Soumya decorates all of 4 sides with these stickers, how many stickers are needed? How many stickers she need? See here, we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side she uses 9 stickers and this side she uses 10 stickers. So this side is also 9 and this side is also 10. What will be the area of the frame if the side of each sticker measures 5 centimeters? What will be the area? What will be the area of the frame? You have to find out the area of this particular shape. You have to find out the area here. I'm going to the next one. All of you see the page number 39. Write a number sentence for the total area of the rectangles in square units given below. Each square is a unit square. One is done for you. See the first one. It is in the shape of rectangle. It is in the shape of rectangle. They divided this rectangle into two parts. One is the green part and another one is in a yellow shade. First we are going to for this side. I'm going to this side, green shade. See here, how many units are there for this breadth side? Breadth side is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. How many rows are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So 5 into 4. 5 into 4 plus, see this side green yellow shade. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many units are there here? 6 units. How many rows are there here? Again 5. Again 5. See here. Area of the whole rectangle. Area formula for a rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. We have to multiply the number length into breadth. 5 fours are 20 plus 5 6 are 30. This is another shape, this is other shape and this is another shape. But they gave in a total one figure they gave. 20 plus 30, 50. So 50 square units. Each one, each particular shape, particular box is in a square shape. Each particular box is in a square shape. So we have to put the measure units are square units. We have to name it as a square units. See the next one here. Area of the whole rectangle. Area of the whole rectangle. See how many blocks are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side is 4 and this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 here. So 4 into 4. 4 into 4. So here also 4. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many units are there? 5. Area of the whole rectangle. 4 into 4 plus 5. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. 16 plus 20. It is 36. 36 square units. How many units are there? 36 square units. Okay children, today's home task, this one and this remaining third sum. And this remaining third sum is the home task. And read the formulas of area, perimeter of triangle, rectangle and square. We can discuss in the next class.